Hey guys, my name is David, and today what I'm going to do is show you how to upload and configure the Flexibility 2 theme. So right now I have my FileZilla open, and what I'm going to do is on the left I have my Flexibility 2 theme in the folder which I downloaded from their website. I'm going to right click it and I'm going to upload it, and on the right hand side of my screen you can see that I already have my themes folder open in my WordPress content from my website. So I'm going to hit upload now, then I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so now we're in my website, and what I'm going to do is activate the Flexibility 2 theme. So I just click on activate there. Okay, so now it's activated, and what it's going to look like when you first open the theme is, well, basically it's not going to look exactly like that. That's kind of what we're getting to, because I had this previously configured. But I'm going to show you how to configure it nonetheless. So what you're going to do is come down to Flexibility Theme Options. You're going to click that. Okay. So the first step is to pick the color of your theme. So what you do is you come into this first box that says Theme Color Changer. And usually what I do is I pick some sort of variation of blue, just because I like blue. So in this little number box, I'm going to copy the color, to paste it there, and I'm going to save it. Save theme colors. Okay. The next step is theme layout changer. So what I want is the 760 pixel single sidebar. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to, okay, that's done. Now you have to do the header settings. So to do that, you click header settings right there, and you're going to scroll down, and where it says display search box in header, I say no. Where it says navigation home link display, I'm going to pick no. Where it says display RSS subscription, pick no. And then where it says display subscribe by email option, pick no again. So the next step is I'm going to go back up to the top, and where it says feature area settings, I'm going to click that, and where it says display optional features selection below header, I'm going to click no. Okay, and I'm going to go back to the top, and I'm going to click on where it says top sidebar. Click that. And here where it says top sidebar box visibility, I'm going to click no. I'm going to come back up to the top. And the next step is where it says footer. So I'm going to click footer. And where it says use widgets in footer, I'm going to say click no again. And by the way, after each of these changes that I'm describing, you have to click Save Changes in order for them to take effect. Okay, so Save Changes. So the next thing is the header image. So click on Header Settings, and then what you're going to do is you're going to create a header that's going to be 760 by 133. That's 760 by 133 pixels. And you're going to use your FileZilla, and you're going to upload your header image to this folder WP Content Themes Flexibility to Images. Okay, and what you're going to do is the name of that file you're going to type into this box right here. Okay. Now by this stage your website should look like this. And to get rid of what I think is the kind of ugly tabs at the top, this is what you do. You come in to your appearances on the left, and you're going to click on Editor. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the right where it says Style PHP. And then you're going to scroll down this screen until you see Navigation Menu Settings. And right below this line, you're going to copy paste in this line. It's hash or number sign nav, then in parentheses display none. So I'll put that in the description part of this video. Then you're going to update the file. Okay, and then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on Flexibility Theme Options on the left under Appearance, and you're just going to hit Save anywhere. And what that's going to do is, so you're going to scroll down till you see somewhere where it says Save Changes. Click that, Save Changes. And go to your website and delete, go to clear recent history, clear your cache, and then refresh the site, and those lines should be gone. And sure enough, they are. Okay, so one last thing that I want to show you here is, one last thing that I want to show you is how I configure my sidebar. So what I do is I come to my widgets and you see sidebar top, left, and right. So the only two sidebars that I'm using are left and right. So for sidebar left, in this first text box is where I'm going to put in my AdSense code if I use AdSense. And then below it I put in the recent posts and pages widgets. And then for sidebar right, that's where I put my outbound links. And one last thing, by default you are going to use this color. I don't know if you can see it. You're going to use this color for your AdSense border and background, F0EBE3. So I hope this has helped, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.